Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the best product reviews and recommendations. Today, we have an exciting grooming product that's been making waves in the market. If you're looking for the ultimate solution to tame your beard and achieve that perfectly groomed look, you're in the right place. We present to you the Arkam Beard Straightener for Men. The Arkam Beard Straightener is not just any ordinary beard comb and brush. It's a premium heated beard brush kit that's designed to take your grooming game to the next level. Let me tell you why it's the best beard comb and brush available in the market. Here are some of the standout features and benefits of the Arkam Beard Straightener. This beard comb has a sleek digital screen and heats up in just 30 seconds. Offering you a wide range of heat levels from 250 degrees Fahrenheit for thin hair to a whopping 450 degrees Fahrenheit for thick and curly hair. With the Arkam Beard Straightener, you can save a significant amount of time grooming your beard with just a single brush stroke. Its variable heat gauge and ion technology ensure you can groom and tame any beard in a flash. Thanks to advanced ionic technology, this heated beard brush gets rid of frizz and locks in moisture, giving you smoother, healthier results with just one stroke. Whether you're at home or on the go, this beard kit has you covered. It comes with an included comb and a hard shell travel case, making it the ultimate grooming gift for men who need to stay suave all day long. Safety is a top priority. The Arkam Beard Straightener includes a 30-minute auto shut-off, a 360-degree swivel cord, an anti-scald feature, and supports 110 to 240 voltage, making it safe and convenient to use. You might be wondering why you should choose the Arkam Beard Straightener over other options on the market. Well, there are a few key reasons. It's designed for medium to long beards and can be used on all hair types. Not only does it work wonders on your beard, but it can also double up as a hair straightener if needed. This technology targets static, seals in moisture, and ensures consistent results throughout the day. You can use it confidently knowing that the anti-scald design prevents any discomfort, no matter how high the temperature gets. In conclusion, the Arkam Beard Straightener for Men is a game-changer when it comes to grooming and maintaining your beard. With its advanced features, versatility, and outstanding user reviews, it's no wonder why it's considered the best beard comb and brush in the market. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest and greatest products. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.